Great news, America. The banks lowered their earnings expectations low enough that they were actually able to beat them. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for what day is it? It's Friday, the 13th. Anyways, welcome to Bubba's Daily Update, Friday the 13th. And look, JP Morgan beat, Citi beat, but what did they beat? They jumped over a 1 inch high wall to get over their earnings to create some bullshit that is total garbage and has nothing to base on the economy. And of course, President Biden is bragging about his 6.5% CPI number, which is another bullshit. Okay, so all we're getting is fed a line of bullshit, and of course, unfortunately, too many people buy into that garbage. But it is what it is. Listen, I can't tell people how to think. I can't be able to understand it. But in the meantime, the markets are once again, after being down heavily early this morning, are now turning positive as we speak. The only negative index at the moment is the S&P, which is down about 4 points. We are long all four indexes as of this morning. We bought down to that sell-off, which worked out pretty well so far, but obviously that's a long story to be told. In the meantime, crude is spiking a little bit higher. We're still short. It should go a lot higher, which is why I don't particularly care about the short side of it. Gold is charging higher now, holding firmly above 1900 on its way to new highs, I believe, this year. Silver is up a little bit, which is good. We're long both those. Bonds and notes continue to run higher, and we're long both bonds and notes as well. The euro currency is a little bit lower today, but we're still long. But I mean, marginally. Well, the dollar, we no longer trade it. The dollar is lower today as well. Interesting. Bitcoin is breaking out. We finally busted above that 18,000. Now we're at about 19.5, and of course we're long the crypto. The copper markets are higher. We're long. Nat gas is lower, and we're short. In the grain markets, they're up across the board. It's hard to get a read here. The volumes are so light and thin, but we are short corn, we are short wheat, but we are long soybeans. And in the protein complex, which is cattle, fats feeders, and hogs, they're all slightly lower. We don't trade them anymore, but we would be long the cattle market and short the hog market, as we haven't changed any positions from there. And in the softs, cocoa is flat, and we're long. Cotton is slightly higher, we're short. Sugar is higher, we're short. OJ is flat, and we are long. And coffee is lower, and we are short. Bottom line is this: it's still very quiet. The markets still lack true liquidity. It's a holiday Monday, Martin Luther King, so I don't know what to expect the rest of the afternoon here. But I think you're seeing big warning signs that are telling you that this market's about ready to roll over and drop, even though we're long. Again, I don't change what the algorithm says, but in my opinion, we have some big issues. So we'll see what happens. In the meantime, don't forget about our sponsors, Trade Your Brokerage, scrolling on the sides, Capital Trading Group, and of course our high school program. And since I won't see you until Sunday in Bubba's Bottom Line, if you're interested, football picks tomorrow and the San Francisco-Seattle game, if you can get under 43, I would play the under. It's going to be supposed to be a nasty weather game. And in the night game, I like the Los Angeles Chargers against the Jacksonville Jaguars. Have a great day, everybody. This is Bubba's Daily Update for Friday the 13th. We'll see you back here on Sunday with Bubba's Bottom Line.